Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and handle the components without causing damage. Start by powering off your ASUS FA5060i and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if possible. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts while you work on the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the memory slots. You should see the RAM modules secured by small clips on either side. If you suspect that the memory is faulty, gently push the clips outward to release the RAM module. If you need to replace it, ensure you have the correct type of RAM compatible with your ASUS FA5060i. Before installing new memory, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the laptop. This not only helps with cooling, but also ensures that the new memory will function optimally. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Simply schedule a pickup and we will handle the rest. Once the new RAM is installed, press down firmly until the clips click back into place, securing the module. Reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all screws to ensure the panel is securely fastened. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug the laptop back in. Power it on and check if the memory issue has been resolved. If you still experience problems, it may be time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a detailed assessment and a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. In summary, repairing memory issues in your ASUS FA5060i can be straightforward with the right tools and steps. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the process, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.